sitting in the Jeep, or I was sitting over by the Jeep in the chair thinking about this, and chipmunk was just under the picnic table here. Demi heard it. He went flying for it. Must be the nest is there. Holy cow, he jumped out, flew over here. Now they're looking for it. Snoopy just follows him. Don't go too far, no. Where's the chipmunk? Where's the chipmunk? Demi, where's the chipmunk? Where's the chipmunk? Boy, oh boy, that dog really loves chipmunks. Find them? You can find them? Good job, good job. Go boys, go boys. Snoopy. That's all they do, wander in the woods. Gotta pee on the tree, each other pees on, then they gotta switch over. Where you going, Demi? Snoopy, stay with Demi. Stay with Demi. They're so funny. They got in trouble earlier. They went over in that woods there a little too far. So I said, hey, get back here. And they came running back. But they're trying to get braver and braver all the time. So they got to keep an eye on them. Starting to know the site too well. Snoopy! Snoopy! Not near the road! Come here! Hey! Get back here! Come on! See? He listens pretty well. Good boy! Good boy!